Okay. Hello, people. This is my house in Minecraft. It's a man-made sinkhole. You know, it's got high security. You die if you try and jump in. Made it all in survival, and now I'm in creative so I can fly around and put torches. Got the diamond stuff in creative. That's my friend. I don't know his channel, but if you know it, subscribe to him. And destroy the beds. Destroy mine. Alright, guys. Wait. Game mode survival. Yeah. I'm gonna respawn now. As you can see, man-made sinkhole. Surprisingly enough, we didn't find any water doing this. This is my inventory, by the way. Oh, please! Anyway, so that was a video, I guess. I made this because I had nothing else to do.